158 with you to visual 17 left. Tower, good day, Encore 3158 with you to visual 17 left.
Encore 3158, tower number 2, your 6 and trail of an Airbus, continue.
Continue.
Roger, 107, Delta 3, 12535.
Delta 3 and 12535.
West Tower, good evening. It's West Jet 612 in Charlie, ready to pick up.
Encore
Encore 3101, the 1900 copies renew. Fly heading 195, call me in the turn, for takeoff runway 17 right.
For takeoff 17 right, heading 195, calling in the turn, Encore 3101.
Kennedy 51 Heavy Tower, you're becoming number 1, winds 250 at 15, gust 20, clear to land runway 17 left.
Clear to land 17 left, Air Kennedy 51.
Canada 353, Delta 3, 12535.
Delta 3, ground, good day, Air Canada 353.
At the turn. Thanks, call departure, see you. 19. Bye.
Wish it 676, we're ready.
Okay, 84, or sorry, 851 Delta 5, 12535.
2535 on Delta 5, Air Canada 851.
Wish it 676, winds 260 at 12, contact departure airborne, clear takeoff 17 right.
Clear.
Pop Charlie uniform, on to Charlie, hold short, runway 17 right.
Turn right on Charlie, hold short 17 right, Pop Charlie uniform. Kennedy 851, Delta 5 for gate 76.
J51, make your second right turn Bravo, then taxi Juliet, enter the apron Juliet Sierra.
Second right, Bravo Juliet, enter the apron Juliet Sierra, Air Canada 851.
Tower, good evening, Edelweiss 140 Heavy, clear established 17 left, RNAV 2 left.
Edelweiss 14 Sierra Tower, wind 250 degrees at 10 knots, clear to land runway 17 left.
Clear to land 17 left, Edelweiss 14 Sierra.
Sierra Delta 5, exit ground frequency 125.35.
125.35, facing right. Calgary ground today, Edelweiss 3, correction, Edelweiss 14 Sierra, what casing via Delta 5?
Edelweiss 14 Sierra ground, make your second right turn north on Bravo. E-taxi Juliet, enter the apron Juliet Romeo, 121.3.
Roger, right then, entering Bravo, Juliet, Juliet Romeo, and then 123, Edelweiss on the project.
Charlie, Tower, wind 07015, clear to land runway 35 right.
Clear to land 301 Yankee Charlie.
Tower, good evening, let's hit 270 RMP 35 right.
217 Calgary Tower, number 2, 787 traffic, just coming up on a 2-mile final, caution wake turbulence. Wind 07015, clear to land runway 35 right.
Land 35 right west at 2 and 7.
Charlie, left turn we're able, and ground 12535.
Left 12535. Juliet Romeo. Clearance delivery, good evening. Star 1 medevac, apron 6 in Golf, Bravo November Hotel, line direct to Claire's home.
Star 1 medevac, good evening. Squawk 2500, altimeter 29085. And check the Claire's home, towers 18-4.
29085 and 18-4 ready, less than a minute. Star 1 tank. Tower clearance low, west at 155 with the clearance over to Edmonton with Quebec.
Show 155, clear to Edmonton. They advance to departure, runway 35 left, flight 100, squawk 4637.
West at 155, clear to Edmonton, down to 35 left, flight plan 4637.
Quebec.
Keep around course 3302, gate 3, push 30.
Coast 3302, push at 3, you're clear.
Tristan. Calgary ground, 10 up 127, going air, Doxy.
Almost 927, ground 35 left, 2985. Taxi Alpha Bravo Alpha. Okay. If you don't blow up my work center, would you like that 67 feet?
Delta, get it, 127.
Yeah, I'll initiate closer.
And stop for Air Canada, 2 minutes. Second, plans for Air Canada, 2 minutes.
Teacher, good.
Yeah, we're not going to make that 30 wheels up time. Spot 15 Air Canada,